In this video, we discuss about PN junction diode characteristics. So for this practical, we use multi-purpose device. Half of this device used for forward bias and remaining half used for reverse bias. You already learned Zener diode practical. Circuit and method same as Zener diode. How to take observation? Just switch on your circuit and keep both regulator at minimum position. Practical for forward bias, we use first half, this half circuit. So in this regulator, increase the amount of current, so you will see change in voltage also. First observation for minimum position of regulator, so 0 0, voltage reading is 0, current reading is also 0. Now slightly change the position of this regulator. So just adjust ammeter pointer at first division. In between 0 to 2 milliampere, total number of division is 10. Value of one division is 0.2. Value of one division is 0.2. So 0.2 milliammeter, the corresponding amount of voltage is after 0.4. 1, 2, 3, fourth division. So again find out least count. In between 0 to 0.2 volt, total number of division is 10. The value of one division is 0.02. So after 0.4 division, there is a 4 division. So 4 multiply with 0.02. So 0.08. So your voltage observation is 0.48. So this observation write as a third observation. First observation is 0 and third observation is current is 0.2 milliampere and voltage is 0.48 milliampere. How to take second observation? Now move your regulator in reverse direction. When your current pointer just reach at 0, so this is your second observation. In second observation, use current is 0 but voltage is not 0. Voltage shows 2 division after 0.4. It means 0.44. So this observation is important to draw graph. Now take fourth observation. So to take fourth observation, adjust your current pointer at second division and note down corresponding amount of voltage. So adjust at second division. So your current is 0.04 and voltage is after fifth division. It means 0.5. Similarly, change the current pointer by one division and note down corresponding value of voltage. After some time interval, you will see different value of current, you will get same amount of voltage. So you can skip here and directly take the observation regarding 2 milliampere current and then take for 3 milliampere current, after that 4. So now after taking observation regarding forward bias, now take observation for reverse bias. Here we use remaining half portion of the device. Keep your regulator at minimum position and note down the observation is ammeter and voltmeter. So both shows 0 0. The first observation is current is 0, voltage is also 0. Now using regulator, adjust your current pointer at first division. First division, it means 2 microampere. Now take observation of voltmeter for 2 microampere current. So it is voltmeter shows fourth division. So fourth division, it means least count of voltmeter is 0.2. So it means 0.8 volt. So second observation, current is 2 microampere and voltage is 0.8. Now similarly you can take remaining observation. Just change the amount of current by one division. It means 4 microampere and voltage is at fifth division, it means 1 volt. The third observation is current is 4 microampere and voltage is 1 volt. Similarly you can take any observation to change the amount of current by one division. Right. Now adjust at fifth division, note down amount of voltage. Similarly, change your current by one division and try to take maximum observation. So here for these operators you can easily take 10 to 15 observation. after 20-30 microampere your current will vary but voltage is not vary, so you can skip few division and take directly for 40 microampere, then take at 70, 80, 90 and 100. So take for maximum value of current 100 microampere. The last observation for 100 microampere, corresponding amount of voltage after 2 volts there is 3 division, it means 2.6 volt. So for last observation is current is height 100 microampere and voltage is 2.6 volt. So in this way you can take observation first regarding forward bias and then regarding reverse bias, and you have voltage and current for reverse and forward bias. So in graph paper use appropriate scale and draw graph between I versus V, first for forward bias and then for reverse bias. So you can easily draw a graph between I versus V, and shape of graph I versus V represent the characteristics of PN junction diode for respective bias.